Heights.
City Heights, mamaya man, binang mga taga City Heights.
Uy, dili, uy.
Ay! Pero ito, so, hihingan ka namin ng audition fee sa singing. Kasi, para malaman natin, kasi meron tayo, di ba, ang musical, may singing, dancing, and acting. So, first is singing. Can you give it up to us, Colette?
Yes, of course, Ate Melay. So,
Ay.
I will sing our song that originated in PBB House.
Okay? It's a time. Okay, go, Colette. You can do it.
So, ang title ng kanta is Crazy.
Crazy.
Pwede ba yun?
Oo.
Yes, of course, walang problema.
Tapos try mong isipin na showtime na. Ito na yun.
Ito na talaga, isipin mo talaga na stage talaga ito at marami nang nanonood. Ito ay musical na talaga. You can express your feelings sa kamay, sa ganun.
Pwede, unsa ba akong imuunan ni?
Yeah, go. Perform lang kung paano ka mag-perform.
Singing, no problem. Master mo muna ang singing. Just